Now I will explain the basic shortcut keys which are useful for the After Effects for the first time. What are the basic shortcut keys? This is very essential all of After Effects users. How to full screen, how to playback, how to close. So different we are having some dilemma. So let us start. Go to File, Close, Project. So all the projects with images has been closed. Now I will import the file again. This one. I will say retain layer sizes. This is a Photoshop file. I am doing animation, so I will use composition retain layer sizes and say import and say OK. In order to get full screen of this window, tilt key. Below the escape key, tilt. If you click tilt, you will get the full screen. If you click tilt on the composition, you will get full screen. Double click on the composition window because this file I have imported as a composition. Double click, you will get tilt key is the full screen. Wherever the mouse is hovering on the screen, you will get, if you use tilt key, you will get full screen. But how to fit the composition window? How to zoom? Mouse scrolling, you will get zoom in and zoom out. Control plus, control minus for zooming and zoom out. Full stop, comma for full stop for zoom in, comma for zoom out. How to fit this image into the window? Forward slash fit in the window, shift forward slash to fit according to your composition. Forward slash fit in the window, shift forward slash fit. And the other options, if you click on the composition window, in composition you can able to see the properties. If I click shift forward slash, this is to 100%. If you click this button, here also you are getting the options. If you click shift forward slash, it is set to 50. Means it is saying fit. Now playback. If I click spacebar, it will play. But this file has not done any kind of animation. Now it won't play. But in the timeline, it is set to something around 14 seconds. See, you can see time. This is a basic shortcut keys for previewing in After Effects. Please subscribe to my channel in the below link so that you can get more updates and more lessons. So please subscribe.